Hi guys, I'm KarthiKesh. Many of you have asked that how to program Arduino in mobile. So in this video, we are going to program Arduino using mobile. So let's go and let's get it. To program Arduino using mobile, we need just three things. First, we need a OTG. This is a C-type to USB port OTG. With this OTG, I'm going to connect to my mobile and to the Arduino Uno. Second thing, we need a mobile. So I'm connecting the OTG to the mobile. Then we need a Arduino Uno or any other boards like Arduino Nano, Arduino Mega, or Arduino Uno SMD model. Then we need a respective Arduino cable. So then we need to connect the Arduino to our OTG and then we need to program the Arduino. After connecting the Arduino to our mobile, you can see that the Arduino is getting powered on by using our mobile power supply. Then we need to make changes and we need to program our Arduino using our mobile with the application. The application name is Arduino Droid. We need to install it, then we need to use it. First go to Play Store and then you can search Arduino Droid, ARDUINO, and then DROID Droid. With the help of this application, we are going to program our Arduino boards. After the successful installation, just open the app. So this is the user interface of the app. First we need to click the three dots in the top right corner, then select sketch, then select examples, and then select basics, then finally select the blink. So this is the basic and first tutorial program of our Arduino, which is blink program, which helps to blink the LED from our Arduino board. Then click the three dots. You can see so many options. First we need to click sketch and then need to save. From the top bar you can see that there's a lightning icon which is used to compile the following code. For that we need to click the icon, then we need to upload the code. So click the next icon which is near to the lightning icon. Before uploading it, you can see the error, no connected boards found. You can see some error. For that error, we need to unplug the Arduino and we need to plug the Arduino. So you can see the USB device attached in the terminal bar, and then we need to re-upload the program. So click that icon, click the button to re-upload the program. So it's done. You can see in the terminal bar. So it shows that uploading finished. We need to check in our Arduino board. So let's go. Here you can see that the program is uploaded successfully. From this LED you can conclude that the LED is blinking with a certain delay. Okay, the program part is done. When we need to move on to certain things with this app. So go to the app and then we need to check the features of the app. First click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to file. You can see various options. First click new. Here you can create your new program to work with your project. So you can type as usual from the PC software, then click the top three dots. So you can see so many options in there. In here we are going to click edit. So here you can edit the following codes, which is undo, redo, or select. Then go to actions. Here you can compile the code and upload the code. Here you can see that upload over USB, which we are connecting using our OTG, and then go to settings. So this is the main main thing we need to keep in mind. Go to board type. Here you can see the Uno is selected. For some other cases you need to select Nano according to your board. Then go to libraries. Here you can add your zip library or you can manage the inbuilt libraries from the Arduino software. So here you can download the libraries from the manage libraries part. if you need to customize and we need to add the library to your Arduino software, then go to libraries and click add zip libraries, because in some programs we just add the following zip libraries. Then go to the three dots, then here you can see manage libraries and then add zip libraries. That's the two options. I already mentioned that. Then go to MISC. Here you can link with your Dropbox account and then Google Drive account. Then the last two options are purchase and help. So if you have any doubts in this video, you can comment in the comment section, and if you like this video, like, share and subscribe KarthiKesh Robotics.